To find the tools and resources in the EmTechWiki, open a browser and then navigate to the EmTechWiki site at suny.edu/emtech. At the top of the page, click on Discover. This page will allow you to search for tools and resources. At this point, you will have a selection of featured tools and resources in the EmTechWiki. From here, you can begin to start exploring the various tools and resources that are available within each section. You will now want to start filtering your options to explore. Think about what it is you want to do with the resulting tools and resources. Select one of the modules from the tabs that appear at the top of the page that best fits your goal: lifelong learning, communication and collaboration, creativity, or critical thinking. The EmTechWiki works with filters that help reveal and limit the tools and resources visible. There are 3 under the Apply Filter section on the left side of the page: Objectives, Categories, and Keywords or Tags. For this tutorial, we are going to choose Communication and Collaboration to satisfy the objective of raising awareness. I will choose the objective of Raise Awareness and the category of Video as an example. Please be aware that you can choose more than one item from each list, such as audio and video. The resulting list will narrow your search to items that fall in both the audio and video categories. Beneath the Apply filters, you may choose to have the items sorted by highest rated or popularity. By default, you will see items sorted initially by highest rated being at the top, then by popularity, and finally listed alphabetically. At this point, you will see the top 3 tools or resources on a page. Scroll to the bottom of the page. If there are more than 3 options, the Load button will say 3 of, and then the number of entries available. Clicking on this will expand your list. If I choose to click on Windows Movie Maker, the next page will give me a quick summary about the tool, as well as tutorials on how to use the software and further literature about the program. It is important to note that all tools will have different information on their landing page, as some tools have more support and further reading than others. It is very easy to start your search over. To do so, click on Reset Search Options to clear your past search results. Once your search is started over, you can explore another module, such as Creativity. Within here, I will click on the category of Gamification without limiting to a specific objective. If I start my search over once more, I can search for tools and resources using the All Modules box. Let's say I want to find a product that I know is called Kahoot. I can type Kahoot into the search box and then click Go. I can also search for any words that show up in the description, such as game. Note that the search field does not search keywords or tags. If I click on Kahoot, I will see more information about how I can use this program. Be sure to rate the tools and resources you use once you spend some time working with it. Since I really like to use Kahoot a lot for class quizzes, I will click on the stars at the top of the page to give it a 5-star rating. It is important that you take the time to rate the various tools and resources so that others can learn from the crowdsourced ratings. If you keep traditional search strategies in mind, it will help you to navigate the EmTechWiki resources. It can only become better at helping you locate what you were looking for if everyone plays a part to accurately add, edit, and classify EmTechWiki content.